In the hush where shadows breathe, I thought I was alone. No flame, no voice, no guiding light, just echoes carved in stone. But in the stillness something stirs, a whisper soft and near. When silence sings, I hear your voice, a light beneath the night, not lost, not gone, just hidden deep, beyond the reach of sight. When silence sings, the dark grows thin, and something starts to rise, a gentle fire within my soul, returning to the light. the quiet, through the gray, a fragile melody, not from afar, but from within, calling softly to me, no longer empty, no longer still. The hush begins to glow. When silence sings, I hear your voice, a light beneath the night, not lost, not gone, just waiting there, beyond the veil of sight. When silence sings, the dark gives way to something warm and bright, a gentle fire within my soul, returning to the light. When silence sings, I hear the truth. I was never alone. The light I sought beyond the dark was waiting in my soul. When silence sings, I finally see what I could not before, a quiet flame, eternal, bright, alive forevermore. I feel it in the quiet air, a breath that calls my name, not from afar, but deep within, a rising, gentle flame. The silence fades beneath my steps, a path begins to show. I step beyond the silent veil where hidden voices flow. No longer bound by fear or doubt, I follow what I know. I step into a widening dawn where When the night feels endless and the weight won't fade, when the world falls silent and you're afraid, I won't ask you to be stronger, I won't tell you to stand tall. If your heart is breaking, you don't have to hold it all. In the quiet where you're hiding, I will find you there. Stay with me in the dark. You don't have to shine. I will sit beside your silence until you find the light. Stay with me in the dark. You don't have to speak. Even in your deepest sorrow, you are safe with me. Tears keep falling and you don't know why. When the days feel heavy and time won't fly, you don't need to have the answers, you don't need to understand. If you feel like you are fading, I will hold your hand. Through the stillness and the aching, I am always near. Stay with me in the dark. You don't have to shine. I will stay within your silence until your heart aligns. Stay with me in the dark. You don't have to fight. Even when the world feels broken, you are not alone silence be. There is nothing you must carry. You can rest with me. Stay with me in the dark till the night is through. Even if the light feels distant, it is still in you. breathing in the light. No more words to carry now, only this soft night. If you are lost in the dark, I am here. Stay in the light with me. Stay. You are safe to breathe. Through the silence something glows, faint but still alive. Not a fire to guide the way, just a place to rest inside. If your heart is tired now, you can stay.